Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about snake plants. Dracaena trifasciata is a species of flowering plant in the family Asparagiaceae, native to tropical West Africa from Nigeria east to the Congo. It is most commonly known as the snake plant, St. George's sword, mother-in-law's tongue, and viper's bowstring hemp, among other names. Until 2017, it was known under the synonym Sansevieria trifasciata. This plant is often kept as a houseplant due to its non-demanding maintenance. They can survive with very little water and sun. It is an evergreen perennial plant forming dense strands, spreading by way of its creeping rhizome, which is sometimes above ground, sometimes underground. Its stiff leaves grow vertically from a basal rosette. Mature leaves are dark green with light gray-green cross-banding and usually range from 70 to 90 centimeters to 0.3 to 3.0 feet. Though it can reach heights above 2 meters 6 feet in optimal conditions. The specific epithet trifasciata means with 3 bundles. The plant exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide using the crassulation acid metabolism process, which allows them to withstand drought. The microscopic pores on the plant's leaves, called the stomata and used to exchange gases, are opened only at night to prevent water from escaping via evaporation in the hot sun. To get this plant to go into bloom outside of its natural environment is difficult. Replicating its natural environment is possible. Its flowers vary from greenish-white to cream-colored. Some are fragrant at night, others not at all, and have a sticky texture. Dracaena trifasciata is commonly called mother-in-law's tongue, St. George's sword, or snake plant, because of the shape and sharp margins of its leaves that resemble snakes. Because it is one of the sources for plant fibers used to make bowstrings, like other members of its genus. The trifasciata yields bowstring hemp, a strong plant fiber once used to make bowstrings. It is now used predominantly as an ornamental plant, outdoors in warmer climates, and indoors as a houseplant in cooler climates. It is popular as a houseplant because it is tolerant of low light levels and irregular watering. During winter, it needs only one watering every couple of months. It will rot easily if overwatered. Is commonly recommended to beginners interested in cultivating houseplants for its easy care. The NASA Clean Air Study found the trifasciata has the potential to filter indoor air, removing 4 of the 5 main toxins involved in the effects of sick building syndrome. However, its rate of filtration is too slow for practical indoor use. It can be propagated by cuttings or by dividing the rhizome. The first method has the disadvantage that the variegation will be lost. The trifasciata is considered by some authorities a potential weed in Australia. It is widely used as an ornamental in the tropics, outdoors in pots and garden beds, and in temperate areas as an indoor plant. The plant contains saponins which are mildly toxic to dogs and cats and can lead to gastrointestinal upset if consumed. In South Africa, it is used to treat ear infections. Numerous cultivars have been developed, many of them for variegated foliage with yellow or silvery white stripes on the leaf margins. Popular cultivars include Compacta, Goldiana, Honey, Laurenti, Silver Sea, and Silver Honey. Honey was discovered in 1939 by William W. Smith Jr. in the Crescent Nursery Company, New Orleans, Louisiana. The 1941 patent was assigned to Sylvan Frank Hanna, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The variety D. trifasciata var. Laurenti, together with the cultivars Bantel Sensation. The Royal Horticultural Society's Award of Garden Merit. Non-variegated forms of the trifasciata are often incorrectly sold as Sansevieria zeylanica, which is a different species that is rarely cultivated. In its native range in Africa. Dracaena trifasciata. Specimens with yellow stripes on the leaf margins are associated with Gia, the female orisha of storms. In Nigeria, the plant is commonly linked with Od, the Orisha of war, and is used in rituals to remove the evil eye. In Brazil, where it is known as Espada de São Jorge, St. George's sword, it is grown outside houses to ward off evil that might harm the home, as is Dracaena angolensis, St. George's spear. The plant plays an important part in the Afro-Brazilian syncretic religion Umbanda, also representing the Orisha Ogum, as Ogum is syncretized with St. George. Some yellow-edged varieties of are called Espada de Santa Barbara, Sword of St. Barbara, and are associated with Iansa, the Umbanda name for Gia. St. Barbara's syncretic Orisha pear. These types are grown to protect against inclement weather. This plant is visible on the porch in American Grant Wood's 1930 painting, American Gothic. Thank you for watching.